Imagine a world where science and civilization unite to create a life-coherent society. This vision is grounded in relational ontology, living autonomy, and ethical participation. Beneath the surface of our crises lies a mechanistic root. We often manage isolated issues without addressing the interconnected systems that sustain them. Institutions meant to serve life often become traps, prioritizing metrics over genuine needs. This inversion leads to a deterioration of underlying realities. Unitive Science offers a cosmology of belonging, where entities are interconnected through relations, emergence, and participation, fostering a sense of value and belonging. The epistemic clarifier matrix helps prevent conceptual blending by distinguishing between empirical findings, scientific hypotheses, philosophical interpretations, and spiritual commitments. Unity alone is not enough. Pathological coherence can arise when systems degrade, highlighting the need for ethical boundaries and life-coherent networks. Living autonomy involves organisms creating their own boundaries, enabling relationships and ethical implications for recognizing others' legitimacy. Life value is foundational, enabling growth and addressing structural violence. The civil commons ensure access to life necessities, fostering peace. The four-stage civilizational grammar guides us in aligning reality, autonomy, value, and praxis, asking how we can protect and enhance life capacity. Evaluating institutions involves balancing system coherence with life coherence, ensuring they serve fundamental life functions and internalize impacts. Restoring capacity in medicine and economy involves shifting from metric-focused to life-coherent approaches, addressing underlying needs and values. AI must be designed with wisdom and purpose, balancing capability with meaning to avoid undermining foundational understanding. Corrigibility in governance and ecology ensures systems remain adaptable and responsive, fostering good ancestry and ecological reciprocity. Spirituality must engage with reality, avoiding bypassing. It should foster material justice and embodied reality, respecting the relationships it creates. A civilization of care emerges when unity is embodied as responsibility, fostering a world where every decision conserves life and nurtures relations.